Yo, welcome back. You're probably asking why there's a horse in the back. We're at my dad's ranch and we're gonna fix up his 1960 Chevy Impala. We're gonna start a build series, and this is what it is. Look. Hood's dented. It's a custom hood. As you can see, it's a little messed up, so we're gonna have to get new parts for it and everything.
Rats in there.
It's really bad. It's gonna be fun though.
We have to take all this shit off. Take this off. Clean it. Vacuum the inside. This tight layout. Want me to cut it?
Yeah, cut it. We're gonna take notes, write down everything we need, new parts, and we're gonna clean it up, see what it needs.
Clean it up.
Yeah, vacuum, give it a little wash, see what it needs. Here it is.
When there's rats, you can tell there's fucking. And it smells like dead rat. I think because there's fucking rat shit in the dark.
Maybe. How long has it been sitting here?
More than my life. Dead ass. Dead ass more than my life.
More than mine though?
22. More than your life too. It's just probably been parked right here for like
30.
nah
35?
Easy 25 years.
I'm 22. I'm 23, gonna be 24.
You're gonna be 24. Fish was probably junked for like the year he met my mom.
Barn find, huh, bro? Holy grail.
I can just leave that shit. Want me to fucking take it all off?
It's a 2-door.
Everything?
Yeah, just take it off. We're gonna have to clean everything anyways. Just put it right here on top of this.
That shit's tight though. Yep. A ver, aguanta.
I mean, it's not that bad for it to be sitting here like that long, you know? The inside's hella rusty. But it has carpet. I mean, it's not that bad, bro. And look at the panels. This shit's clean, son.
Look.
Low-key excited for this shit, bro. Shit. Las botas, cut.
Con las botas, cut.
So right now I'm on my way to pick up Pelona and Keeks. They're gonna help us with the clean. So there can be more people, more manpower. It's all bad here, bro. Yeah, we're all debating on how we want the car. My brother's like, oh yeah, we should do it with small tires. I think it should be kind of stock, but I kind of want the chrome on it. My dad wants stock. It's his car, it's gonna be for him. We're just gonna fix it up for him as a thank you for everything he's done for us. And then it goes down to color too. We don't know what color we want. We're all debating. But it's gonna be a sick little build. It's gonna be fun. We've never done something like this. So bad out here. Yeah. Damn, it's fucking dirty as fuck, bro.
No blow dryer, güey, para sacar unas cosas.
Oh, that's how he drinks
There's
water.
a blow dryer.
That shit's sick, huh? It's like you never seen a horse drink water, fo.
Not for free.
If you burrow like that, I can smell that shit.
Where?
You smell it. If you smell it, it smells like rats.
My boy came prepared with his knife today.
You're pulling
Can't even cut though.
You're pulling the manguera, güey.
It's all unconnected either way.
Son miados, ¿verdad?
No son miados, güey. Es puta rata, güey.
Vamos. Chidipstick,
Miados de
güey.
rata, güey.
El hoyo está chingón, güey. This shit's still clean, fool. Damn, fool.
Nee, fuck. Oh, what?
This is all to it?
Always slipping. Fool, you always do some dumb shit, what?
Should have called me, fool.
I sent you a stupid
You should know
message.
better
My phone was
that I
dying.
barely answer text, fool.
You're dumb, fool.
Careful, really, my phone. Your jacket.
There's not like a blow dryer.
There's only 4 hours about the blow dryer, güey.
Shit's nasty, huh?
And play with the horsey.
That shit.
It's probably to the side or something. Like, you see that part right there?
Yeah.
Did mom throw away the other basketball?
You gave it away.
It's a fucking barn find with the boys. I got you with the Starbucks.
Ábrele. Open the door.
You need it open?
Yeah.
This one?
I can use Squeeze. Oh, I thought so.
Okay, no, I'm putting it in work.
No, it. McGuire's coming in clutch.
Sponsorship.
Come through, man.
Gotta hit up O'Reilly fool for the sponsor.
You can still see the flakes, huh? That's just
I'm a polish it, fool.
mañana.
Now, I'll polish the little section. Nomás.
The paint on it.
There's like a little jet that goes right here. It's like chrome.
We're gonna need to spray it back.
The little sound.
Next time, I'm gonna bring overalls in.
Yeah, overalls?
Or not overalls, pinche.
Jumpsuit, like
Yeah, I'm
a.
gonna bring jumpsuits.
We got some too, güey. Casa de papel, no. I'm part of that. What?
Casa de papel.
We got some jumpsuits, bro. Casa de papel, no.
I'm gonna use it tomorrow, fool.
Hey, my man. I'm just gonna come like this again, fool.
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm gonna come like this and just change my shirt.
La misma, güey.
Ni te la laves, fool.
You can smell this shit, huh? It's just fucking strong.
Ammonia and shit.
Watch, the panel is fucking weak here.
Pretty good.
No parsley.
Una cocina con sal.
Oye, no cocina con sal de ajo, güey.
Where's the? Can you pass me
La
the
sal de ajo le da sabor a
Windex
todo, güey.
cakes
Where's that?
on the corner?
Hey,
right
when
there?
you cook, do you put sal de ajo on everything? I do.
Pass it. Rollala. Mira, we're gonna do an inch bay clean here.
Con gas en cal engine. Ándale, puto. El vato lo pegó como 6 veces.
I didn't hit you hard, fool.
Hey, un tip, tío. Propina.
Ari, hit you,
Pero al
güey.
lado $10,
Yo,
güey.
mamón.
Jalar, güey.
Te voy a bajar food, güey. Your ass is
Gonna have to
gonna
come sand
What?
this shit.
I'm taking off all the mood at first, food, chill.
Barn find, restoration, part 1.
And part 2, shit, no. It's already done. It's 3 parts.
Yeah, me gustan las güeritas, también las morenitas.
How much do we need, man?
¡Hágatelos! Pero no me tonto, ya saben. ¿Cuántos rolitos son, fool?
Now you're like the horse. The horse doesn't like it, fool.
Hey, Toretto will have this shit done overnight.
Nah, I said, wait, he'll have it parked in his garage, fool. Scared.
Scared? You scared to drive it?
Have it driven.
PTSD and shit?
Hey, you need a fridge, fool?
Be careful.
I'm not gonna fuck my ass, fuck.
Watch it. I'm gonna bring my casa de papel jumpsuit tomorrow.
Araña. ¿Sabes?
Con mi máscara, güey.
They look for some wheels, güey. We can roll it in and out.
That's what I was saying.
I buy 120.
I buy 120. Is those small ones or the normal ones?
That's like the pattern, güey.
Watch, check the chat, the one with the pictures. I'm trying to put rims like that on it, like 5.
Oh, I seen them.
Those shits are hard, though. Yeah.
Yeah. But check off-road, güey. I buy 120.
Yeah, I want some 24s on it.
Hey, you're gonna have to wipe it down again.
All right, it's all good. It falls off right away.
Tomorrow, güey.
We'll drop a
La verga.
couple hundred on the. Sick ass fit for what you get it at. In his closet.
Read it, sorry.
This is a bitch, güey. Chételas, güey.
Pendejo, ya me eché estas dos.
I'm look up some Steely.
Échame, tanto tengo el pinche dedo.
Some finger action, fool. That's all the action you be getting, son.
Me echó a perder el pelón.
Échame la culpa, mamón.
Fucking ugly ass hood.
We're gonna have to install some lights here, fool.
Lo que
Say, wait, what was he on, fool?
It was old school, man.
Had Angel does homes?
Smoke it!
I ain't never felt right since.
Say, wait. Smoking angel.
My bad, boys.
I'm wearing my mask, douchebag. Should have said something.
Put it on.
Yeah, peel it off.
Did you get a spray, fool? Go any in here.
Hold it that way. Yeah.
You're gonna have to pull this.
It's not rust way. There's
Look, this is a panel that this fool has, that this fool put. This fool says he knows how to do rust repair.
Exposing them, fool.
This is just welded right there.
Gotta re-weld this one. Okay, it's cracking.
Yeah, I see it. This one, you can take this one out already. Mira, girl, así me gusta, chechito.
I can't go in, güey.
This one has a fucking wheelbarrow right there.
A what?
No tiene llanta, dog.
No, there's a new wheelbarrow in the back. Okay, what am I doing?
It's stuck right there. You see the little J?
Yeah, I'll get it right now. Go ahead.
Catching up.
Somos lobos.
Es que, Ángel, métete el dedo.
¿Qué?
Métete.
Middle.
Que te metas.
Tienes que meter este lado, güey. De aquí, mira.
Y ahorita como pinche pelo, ¿verdad?
I went into it right now. For more.
Just get
A la
this
aquí, güey, en la
this
esquina.
hook right there, man. Just pull it and it'll come out. Mira, güey, ya chingamos de este lado.
Hey, trucha, güey, with the speaker. We'll put some aftermarket. Old Biggie.
No, leave it.
Ah, eso más sí, güey, déjalo. Because that's the original panel.
Mira, güey,
You
ya
need that.
limpio, güey.
¿Qué?
Ah, pues aquí
Al
está,
Andrés, güey. Traemos al Andrés, güey.
For real, ¿verdad?
Lo welding, dog.
Lo de adentro, we could clean all this with Coke, güey.
You see?
With what?
Coke.
Takes off the rust, güey.
De la blanca, tío.
Yeah, shit was fucking. Yeah, this has to go because this shit is gonna fuck up the. It's gonna rust it.
There's some bolts right there. Güey.
Free food.
Hey, perdón.
I got my soap, güey. Just fucking soak this shit down ahorita. That
That's
shit.
tonight?
Damn, son.
That was you making the
Perdón.
No, you.
Right there.
Do you have the scraper?
The greaser, güey.
We'll get Ferrari decals, bro. And put it.
Carbon fiber.
Just soap, fool?
Put it.
Just spunk, güey. Damn, the fan has color now, bro.
A la verga, güey. That shit was dull as fuck.
That shit's fucking bright, bro. Yeah?
Back up, fool. Eso es, te ponen aquí, güey, bien special, güey.
You gotta spray it more.
Back up, fool.
The little flakes, huh?
Mira, güey, damn.
That's just pretty sick, huh?
I'd rather just be single for a long ass time. I didn't even.
I'm just gonna clip this shit, way.
Son pinches chivos, güey.